Hi, what do you think about artificial intelligence?
I think it is the greatest invention I have ever seen.
Don't you think it poses any danger at all in the future?
Let's wait until then.
All right, no problem.
You must have seen these kinds of videos littered almost everywhere on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. And trust me, you always pause to watch them. Why? Because they're just that good. But let me guess, you've been wondering how to create these eye-catching sticky animations yourself, right? Maybe you've clicked on a few tutorials here on YouTube, but they didn't hit the nail on the head. That's exactly why I'm here. I always come out clean, delivering useful and important information, because I genuinely want all of us to grow together. So buckle up, because today, I'm showing you how to create viral-worthy sticky images in minutes using 100% free tools. And trust me, by the time this video ends, you'll feel like a pro at generating these stunning visuals. Whether you're a content creator looking to elevate your social media game, or just someone curious about how it's done, this is the tutorial you've been waiting for. Let's face it, scrolling through social media can be overwhelming, but those mesmerizing videos with sticky animations, they stand out. They grab your attention. They make you stop and think, wow, how is that even done? Well, I've cracked the code, and I'm sharing it all with you today, step by step, using tools that cost absolutely nothing. Before we dive in, let me quickly introduce the tools we'll be using today. First, we have ChatGPT, the ultimate free tool to generate scripts that are engaging and tailored to your content. Next, there's Crickk, which takes care of the voiceover magic. No recording studio needed. Then we'll bring in Adobe Express Animate, the powerhouse tool for creating sticky animations that pop. Finally, we'll loop back to CapCut for the final touches and edits. If you've ever thought you need expensive software or years of design experience to create these types of videos, think again. These tools are beginner-friendly and, most importantly, free. Stick around because I'm about to blow your mind. Now, if you're as excited as I am to start creating these viral-worthy videos, make sure you stick around to the end of this tutorial. I'll be sharing bonus tips on how to optimize your content for maximum reach. Plus, if you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe to iTech. Your support helps us continue bringing you game-changing tutorials like this one. So what are you waiting for? Grab your laptop or phone, follow along, and let's start creating sticky images that'll make you the star of social media. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So let's enter a prompt into ChatGPT on any topic. It must be in a conversation form in between 2 or more characters, depending on the number of characters you choose to use. ChatGPT will provide you a perfect prompt. You can tweak if you choose. Then after that, you can copy the script and head to Crickk AI. This is the free tool we will be using to generate a perfect voiceovers for the different characters you will be using. I am using just 2, so yeah, I just need 2 different voiceovers. Simply paste it into Crickk AI and select the language you will need. Click Generate, and in seconds, it would generate the 2 voiceovers you need. As easy as that. Head to Adobe Animate, sign in, and then choose a character animation from the many options available there. Tweak it to your taste, then export. I would want to be quick. Then head over to CapCut with all the animation and voiceover. First of all, import the images, then add the voiceover. Make some adjustments to make sure the voices fits the lips and body sync. Add transitions, background audio if necessary, trim some places where necessary, and all finishing touches. Then export it.
Hi, what do you think about artificial intelligence?
I think it is the greatest invention I have ever seen.
Don't you think it poses any danger at all in the future?
Let's wait until then.
All right, no problem.
And that's a wrap. By now, you've learned how to use ChatGPT for scripting, Crickk for creating professional voiceovers, Adobe Express Animate for those stunning sticky animations, and CapCut to bring it all together. See, creating viral-worthy content doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. It just takes the right tools and a little creativity. Now here's the deal. Don't just sit on this knowledge, put it into action. Whether you're making content for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or any other platform, these tools will give your videos that edge to stand out. And remember, this is just the beginning. These tools can be used in so many creative ways. Play around with them, experiment, and who knows, your next upload might just go viral. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Join the iTech family and hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell so you never miss out on game-changing tutorials like this one.